Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a forward edge, guys. So if you have a forward edge and you're trying to find the fuse for the TPMS sensor system, guys, this is the tire pressure monitor sensor system. Stay with us and we'll explain where it's located. If you guys have a light for TPMS, your sensors are okay, but you still get the light and it's not detecting them, it could be just a bad fuse, guys, and we'll explain where that fuse is located. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop, including this first generation Ford Edge, will be making, guys, at least 200 videos. We take them completely apart. Why we do all that? Why we take our cars completely apart, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully, guys, you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can find them, guys, for a good price, fast shipping as well. Let me open the hood and I'll show you something here quick now. Okay, this is 2009 Ford Edge that we'll be working on, guys. 2009, but it will work for many years. You have actually two fuse boxes. One is inside the engine compartment right here, but our fuse is not there, guys, for the TPMS system. Okay, you may have different types of sensors, different types of wheels, but the fuse for the TPMS, guys, is actually inside. Now, if you have the TPMS light, always check your tire pressure first, guys. That will be step number one, because you might be just low on tire pressure sometimes. So we did that the other day. We checked tire pressure. According to our gauge, everything was good, but it was just a bad gauge. So always double check everything before you start taking things completely apart. Now, if you guys come by the brake paddles, okay, brake pedal and the emergency brake pedal, right here we have one fuse box. And let me just explain about that fuse box quick here now, guys. Okay, this is it right there. Okay, we have it positioned like that. So let me show you guys, okay, what you have now here. Now, first you're going to have this cover, okay, and this cover, how you remove it, okay, you're going to, it will be like that, you slide that thing over and it will come out. Then you will have, guys, okay, that cover right here, that will be pointing this way, but it will be under the cable for the, okay, that is the hood release right here, hood release cable. So you need to squish on both sides, pull it out. Once you guys pull it out, okay, the fuse that we're looking at now, guys, okay, will be fuse number 5 on the very left side from top to bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These, guys, 10M fuse. This 10M fuse, okay, number 5. So I grab that fuse now. Okay, let me show you. I grab that fuse with the fuse puller. Okay, and we're going to pull it out. Okay, it's right under that cable, so it's very annoying location. But you can see, guys, okay, fuse is out. Now, if you're on the market, guys, okay, for replacement fuses, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get all these fuses for a super good price and fast shipping as well. We'll grab a new fuse and we're going to install it. Okay, pretty simple. All you have to do is push it in. Okay, and if you still have problems with your TPMS light, guys, check out the link in the description. Check out our channel, by the way. We'll have videos how to diagnose TPMS sensors as well. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.